what do you think will improve our success score on Upwork? Well, I mean, obviously the thing that is how you deliver and so forth, but actually getting in deeper into that, how do you make a client happy so that they give you a good rating, they give you a good review, which ultimately helps your success score? I think there's two things that you can do. I've talked about this quite a bit before, and I sort of harp on this in some of the courses that I have and so forth. But when it comes to delivery, there's lots of different parts of it, but there's two things that I think are sort of the trump cards and the things that can really push clients over the top and make them super happy to the point that they're going to give you a really good review. The first one is speed, and the second one is communication. And so the way that you do speed is, I've always recommended, this is why I recommend you specialize. You work on projects that you do over and over again. It's sort of the same project. So as you do it, you naturally just get faster at it. But along with that, you can write out a delivery schedule. You can actually start to set very specific milestones. If you look at, now as a client, I know this from Upwork, some of the better top freelancers on Upwork, for example, when they bid on your projects, they submit a proposal for one of your projects, they will have a very detailed set of milestones. And that's because they've done these projects time and time again, so they know what those are. So having that detailed list of milestones that can keep you on track, but also you can give to the client to give them sort of a roadmap of what's going to happen. And again, if you're working on the same sort of projects over and over again, you can do that. So that's going to help you with your speed part of it. And then the communication part of it is, on top of that delivery schedule, now you know all of the key milestones. You can add to that key communication points where you need a decision from the client or you need to communicate something to them, and be proactive in your communication. Don't just only respond when they contact you. You want to be proactively talking to them, communicating with them, so that they're not feeling like they're constantly having to drag communication out of you. If you do those two things, deliver fast and proactively communicate, you're going to have really happy clients, because a lot of freelancers, but in particular developers, because we tend to be a little bit more introverted and this and that, they just don't do it. So if you do those sorts of things, that's a really good way to make clients happy, outside of the actual technical doing a good job building the thing that they want for them. Hey, thanks for watching the video. By the way, if you'd like to learn even more about freelancing on Upwork, you can get access to my full Upwork 101 course on Skillshare. And not only will you get access to all my courses, but over 20,000 others on web design and web development, freelancing, graphic design, online marketing, and more, all for just $10 a month. And as a teacher on Skillshare, I can give you a 2-month free trial. You'll get full access to the entire library of courses, and you can cancel at any time before the trial is up and never be charged a penny. To learn more and start your 2-month free trial, head on over to johnmorrisonline.com/Skillshare.